What's up, guys? So, it's your boy, Boy. Ayan. So, another health and safety talk. Once again, pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung mga tinatawag na DOLE inspection or paano ba sila nagko-conduct ng inspection sa isang workplace in private sector. So, tandaan natin that DOLE will only handles private sector, particularly on their inspection. So, meron tayong tinatawag na four category of DOLE inspection. Number one, ito yung routine inspection kung saan nakaschedule yung workplace nyo to be inspected. And number two, ito yung tinatawag na complaint inspection wherein there's an employee na nag-file ng complaint sa DOLE because of a circumstance no within the organization kung saan siya tie in. And number three, meron tayong tinatawag na occupational safety and health investigation kung saan merong nireport kay DOLE ng mga unsafe act at unsafe conditions sa isang workplace at ito ay sinend sa kanila and then that's the time that they will be conducting in investigation sa workplace. At na number four, meron tayong tinatawag na special or technical inspection wherein they will be inspecting the workplace, particularly sa mga machines, kung meron ba itong mga preventive maintenance, calibration, at yung mga competency ng mga operators ng mga equipments. Now, paano sila magko-conduct ng inspection? Magko-conduct sila ng inspection if no merong nilabas na authority to inspect. Ito yung inspection paper na tinatawag. Pupunta yung inspector sa isang workplace and then i-check nila yung compliances natin. Pagdating saan? Sa General Labor Standards kung saan titingnan ng DOLE yung mga company policies, nag-submit ba tayo ng report, benefits, no? At yung mga payroll, DTR, etc. This will be represented by the Human Resource Department. So dapat, kung 24/7 ang inyong operation, dapat meron tayong representative from the Human Resource or admin. Number two, Occupational Safety and Health Standards. Ang magre-represent nito, yung safety officer. Titignan ng DOLE yung mga reports, no? Yung DOLE reportorial requirements that the safety officer are submitting to DOLE. And number three, security of tenure, wherein after mag-check ng DOLE ng mga documents, DOLE inspector will get a sample from the direct worker, that's the principal employer, and indirect worker, that's from the subcontractor of the principal employer. So they will do random interviews